Let's run off with horse racing as Maneater put last year's disappointment behind her as she landed the 5th running of the BGLC Diamond Mile at Caymanas Park today. The 3-5 favourite was one of 4 winners for trainer Wayne Acosta and one of 2 for jockey Omar Walker. Denise Walters reports.
The much anticipated battle between Maneater and the stablemate Stranger Danger fizzled out after the two came together heading into the turn for home. Once Omar Walker gave the supermare her head, 15 other horses chased in vain as she gobbled the field up.
Tackled now by Stranger Danger. There goes the mare, Maneater. These three in a tight punch as they go, flashing now toward the final 3. And Maneater now grabs the lead. It's a half a length in front. Stranger Danger is battling as they come inside the final 5/16. Tuna Ciliator in behind. Supreme Soul now asked to go along with Sentiment on the outside. But Maneater turns for home with that lead. The American Stranger Danger doesn't seem to be able to cope with the mare. She's a super mare. She's the queen of local racing. It's Maneater and Omar Walker, a furlong to run in the Diamond Mile. Stranger Danger has no answers to her. Tuna Ciliator and Sentient trying to run on, but Maneater, what a mare, what a great horse. Maneater, probably the best in the land. She wins it over Stranger Danger, Tuna Ciliator, Sentiment and Supreme Soul.
The 5-year-old Bay shattered the stakes record of 1 minute 36 and 2, set and equaled by former stablemate Seeking My Dream, clocking 1 minute 35 and 1/5 to win by 3 lengths. The winning connection all had praises for her.
Seeking My Dream was a very good horse, but he didn't have any foot. But this horse is tremendous, you know. She's super. She do everything right. She's a much better horse than that horse, but she's very smart, and everything I ask her of her, she does give it to me.
Yes, but we're running a very fast track today. The 2-year-old went 1-4. So, but not taking anything away from her, it was a fantastic performance. She basically dominated the race from the half mile, and she could have easily won by another 2-3 lengths. Working up to the race, she just seems to have improved, and her times were just fantastic. I was wondering maybe she was going too fast for herself and might hurt herself, but that was not the case. She is just all class.
Meanwhile, 1-9 favourite Wow obliged in landing the BGLC Toba Yearling Sale Racing Series.
Above and Beyond will come into the lane wide in the red silks, but Wow is travelling strongly as usual. Inside the last quarter, Wow a cut above everyone in the 2-year-old series as they make their way toward the final furlong, and it is Wow Amith Robles having a peep in his mirrors, and Wow can't be touched unless we have a mishap. Above and Beyond is holding for second. Nipster now running on the fence for a minor share, but it is Wow, what a performance again, winning by 7 or more. Above and Beyond second, Nipster is third, another Commander is fourth.
Wow won by 6.5 lengths in 1 minute 4 and 4/5.
I don't think he was forced to come from behind. What we really planned was to get a good break and relax. No matter who's leading, just relax him and try and get him to finish the race stronger, because I didn't want him to break into a habit where he's going to go out and blaze and then quit in the straight. So they're really a training program with him. We have a longer race coming up, so he has to learn to relax, and he showed a good sign today by relaxing, and I'm really pleased with the run.
Racing continues on Saturday. I am Denise Walters reporting from Caymanas Park for TVJ Sports.